Alright guys, it is Sunday, so you know what that means. It is time to pack up all of our orders that sold this weekend. Now, I have been waiting to come out here and pack this stuff because, in case you don't know, I live in Texas and the normal temperature here is 128 degrees. So, I've waited as long as I can. We're running out of daylight. We need to get to it. So, let's look at what we already have here on the table. Some of this stuff I have already grabbed out from the other night, and we already have it all over here. This is everything that we have sold over the weekend. If it will focus. There you go. That's everything that we sold over the weekend. So we sold some stuff that we're waiting on to come in, and it will be in shortly. We sold 4 of the Mean Green bottles, which you guys know we have sold a lot of those. We sold 17 of these degreasers here, so this is going to be a good moving product that you guys will hopefully see on the channel for a little bit of time to come. We sold these Stance socks over here. You guys know that I just went through and listed all of the socks that I had in my inventory. If you missed that video, check it out. It's linked up in the cards. We sold one of those. We sold one umbrella spacer that is an M. You guys will see that whenever it comes in. I've sold several of those, so you'll see them whenever they come in. We sold 2 of our good old faithful friends here, this laundry detergent. We sold 2 of these Christmas roosters. Interesting that we sold a couple of those because it's not Christmas time, but we sold 2 of those, and I think that's what we had left in our inventory from last year. We also sold the last 2 of our bubbles here. I think this will be the end of the road for the bubbles. I don't see us picking up any more of those. We also sold in a pair of Adidas socks that I forgot to get from inside, so I'll have to go get those in a second. And then we also sold a pair of Nike. It's like a Nike bikini that we picked up several of those a long time ago. We sold one of those, so we'll have to dig that out of our Nike tub. I can't believe we sold one of those. I've had those forever and haven't sold any of them, so it's good that we finally sold one of those. We also sold a Vegas Golden Night hat. I'll get that out. You guys will see that from the inventory. And then we also sold these bandana Crocs. Guys, this is why it's important to be ungated in brands. I've had these for, I've had these for a while. I got those on a shopping trip a long time ago, probably like 6 or 8 months ago, something like that. And I've had them ever since. I've had them listed on eBay. No bites at all. I've had them listed for about $65. I think we picked them up for about $20. I haven't had any bites. We just got ungated in Crocs a couple weeks ago. Listed them up. Sold them this past week for $72.99. So that is why it's so important for you guys to be ungated on Amazon in these brands like Nike, Adidas, Crocs, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go gather up the last few things. We also have some items that we have already sold that we are waiting on. Look at this big stack of Mean Green bottles that we have already sold that we are just waiting on. So we're waiting on all those to come in. Those should come in later today or tomorrow morning. We'll get them all shipped out. I've got another 50 something already ordered. I'm ordering like 10 a day right now, so I'm just gonna keep that up, and hopefully we can manage our inventory a little bit better. So that's something that we're learning. So let me set up the GoPro, and you guys will come with me on this sourcing journey so we can go find these products. So let's get to it. Percent battery, so I don't know how long this is gonna last, but we do need to find our hats that we sold. So we will have to find them. Here's our Nike tub. So maybe all of those. These are the bikini things right here that I was talking about. So we have 10 of these in here. We finally sold one. So let's go ahead and go add it to the stack. I think it says that I paid $20, but I paid less than that. So I don't remember exactly what we paid for it, but there we go. Sale number 1 on the board. I think that was our only Nike. I think the GoPro died, so unfortunately we're no, oh, well, okay, now the GoPro's dead. Here's the Vegas Golden Night hat that we sold. I don't remember how much we sold it for. I think $25. I think we paid maybe 10 or 11. So that one is on the table. And I think that is most of the stuff that we have to go pick up other than the Adidas socks. And I have some more of these degreaser bottles waiting up at the front of the house. So we'll have to go get those. So this is pretty much everything that we sold right here for the weekend. I do have a couple of numbers for you guys right here. All total, sales were a little over $1,000. We sold almost 1,100. We fell a little short. 1078 was the weekend sales. Profit margins, I'm not going to give you here. All of these leads, though, I do post on the Juiced app. You guys know that I use the Juiced app to post all of these things, track my inventory, track my profit. So if you guys want a behind the scenes video where I show you a little bit more about my profit margins and how I'm using the Juiced app to track them so precisely, be sure to like this video. Comment down below if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial of the Juiced app from me, of at least going over my side of things, looking at profit margins and stuff like that. We can definitely set that up. Or if you just want to try out the Juiced app for yourself, if you want to experience what it's like to have not only a platform that is an inventory management platform that will give you precise calculations on revenue, profit margins, ROI, all of these things, you're in luck. For the YouTube family, we have a 14-day free trial to the Juiced app. So you guys can sign up using the link down below and become a user of the Juiced app. All right, guys, I just wanted to hop in here real fast and give you a quick look at some of the things that you can track in the Juiced app. This is over the last 7 days for me. So you guys can see it breaks it down in between eBay and Amazon in terms of where you're selling your items. It gives you your revenue right there. Over here, obviously, we have some of our orders. Tells us how many items we have unsold that we have listed. We can see some of the items that we've listed right down here at the bottom. And then I want to show you guys very quickly what it looks like from the user side of things whenever you're looking at all the releases and all the items that we post every single day. Can't show you too much, obviously. You guys are going to have to join up, but you can for free right now. Link in the description, 14-day free trial. These are some of the leads, for example, that I have been posting. You guys can see, you have seen me buy and sell some of this exact same stuff. And just so you guys know, it's all posted right here inside the Juiced app. So if you guys want to get all of these leads as soon as I post them, you can start selling the same exact stuff that I'm selling in the videos that you just saw. Be sure to join up, become a user of the Juiced app, 14-day free trial, link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much. Try it out for 14 days. Let me know what you think. And again, if you want to see a more in-depth video over all of these items that I sold and how I'm tracking them in the Juiced app, be sure to comment down below and let me know that you want that more in-depth video, and we'll get that worked out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please enjoy the video. I hope that you did. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias linked down below. And please, guys, do yourself a favor. Join up this revolution that we have started over here at Juiced. Join up, become a user of the app, 14-day free trial linked down below. Hope you guys have a great start to your week here on Monday. And I'll see you in the next one very, very soon, guys. This is Solstice from Juiced, signing out. Go try the app. Thank you very much. Bye now.